Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out my latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, from time to time you've seen me doing a lot of stuff on fish, and here is another one. But this fish is a little special to my heart due to the fact it's part of my FriendFish series. Her name is Gelica, and she has a slew of other FriendFish characters and buddies that are living in the Ocean City Aquarium content, storyline, TV series, comic book, all those sorts of things that I have been working on. So make sure you bookmark this channel because a lot more is going to be coming down the pipeline with these characters and a lot more interesting stuff to share with you. So anyways, if you have your paper and pencil, I think we're ready to begin this lesson. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.